sobrang crazy na. So, I'll try to cut my hair today. Para, ano guys, malinis tingnan. So, sectioning. First is sectioning ata. Yes guys, i-section natin yung hair. Wala akong clip, so, ganito lang gagamitin ko. Twister. Shit, it's not. Sorry. So, ayan. So, ayan. Hindi siya, ano. So, start natin. So, let's start. So, I'm using this one. I just bought this. Basically, guys, I'll just want to clean this one in my back because sobrang ano na siya. Ayan, from here. Ouch! So, number 4. So, let's start. Oh my God. Ang dami, guys. God. So, okay na siya, God. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. But I don't care. Guys, so, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam guys, ano lang itsura. Kasi, harap nalalabasan ito. Hindi siya pantay, I can feel it. I'm not sure guys kung okay na ba siya. Pero hindi siya okay. So guys, so for to try natin tong side. Right here. Tama ba to? Left here. Try natin to. May, can you check if it's okay, the back?
I think so. I can't really tell. Why are you wearing a shirt while you're cutting your hair?
Because I'm filming.
That's going to be all over the laundry.
Is it even?
Not really. Kind of goes up a little bit in the middle, but not that. It goes up a little bit in the middle.
Hi guys, so ayan, tapos na siguro ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari guys. It's okay. 1 month naman ako nasa bahay lang, so walang problema. So tingnan natin guys. So far, okay naman siya. Ano lang, nilinis ko lang yung gilid guys kasi sobrang ano na niya, sobrang haba. So, perfect naman siguro siya. Hindi siguro siya halata. Likod. Okay lang ba guys? Sana okay lang siya. Sa side. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari siya. Basta. Yan lang yung side. Tapos sa harap, hindi naman masyadong halata. So yan ang quarantine natin. So ano lang siya, estimate. So, ayun guys, maliligo na ako. So ayan, finish na. Maliligo na ako. This is the result. So that's the front. I did not, ginawas na sa taas kasi, nakakatakot siya kasi haba na siya yan. So, but it's fine. I can still just pull it back. That's the side. So, hindi siya masyadong malinis, but it's fine. It's the back part. So, yan. I hope even siya, hindi ko siya makikita. So, dito side. So, that's the front. So, hindi na I challenge everybody na bake sa kanilang sariling buhok during the quarantine. And let's see. Bye, everybody!